Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today we're taking a look at the best Hocus Pocus door cover available in the market.
The WEBSUN Halloween Door Decorations Hocus Pocus Door Cover. This door cover is perfect for adding a spooky touch to your Halloween decorations. Let's dive into the details. The WEBSUN Halloween Door Decorations Hocus Pocus Door Cover is a large fabric Halloween party decoration sign designed with unique witchy elements and the words Hocus Pocus. It features cute Halloween theme patterns such as ghosts, bats, spiders, black cats, and skulls, making it perfect for setting the Halloween spirit. Made of high-quality polyester fabric, this door cover is weather-resistant and durable. The premium color-fast permanent dye used to create the vibrant designs ensures that the artwork remains colorful and eye-catching. It's designed to last and can be used for multiple Halloween seasons. Measuring 78.7 inches by 35.4 inches, this door cover is the perfect size for standard doors. It's great for Halloween scene and party decorations, as well as for creating a festive atmosphere for your Halloween party. With the included hanging ribbon, it's easy to hang on your door or wall. In conclusion, the WEBSUN Halloween Door Decorations Hocus Pocus Door Cover is a must-have for your Halloween decor this year. Its unique design, high-quality material, and easy hanging make it a standout piece for your Halloween party. Don't miss out on adding this spooky touch to your front door or porch this Halloween season. That's all for today's review on the WEBSUN Halloween Door Decorations Hocus Pocus Door Cover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.